So this is an organization rack for clothes or anything you need. So up here, it has this bar and it has these S hooks that you can put on it. Right here it has this mesh, and you could also put S hooks on it, and it comes with a bunch of them. So you got this right here, wood, and all these shelves underneath, so you can organize different size things, which is really neat. So I have this right here in my garage, the entrance to my garage. So I could put my shoes, my jackets, or when I leave, I could go ahead and put on my shoes and put on my jacket. So let me organize it so you could get a better look at this. So here it is. I have the backpack, a purse, a dog leash, a sweater, and you have these side pockets here, and I used it for umbrellas. It's 2 big ones at the bottom and 2 small ones at the top, and some shoes, hats, and a blanket. So nicely organized. So when we get home, we could put it away, or when we leave, we could take it to go.